Welcome back, and in this video we're going to be going over the if statement. So I'm going to go straight into it. So what the if statement is it tests a condition or an expression, and if that if that condition or expression is true or false, it will act on, or if it's true, it will act on the code in the body of the if statement, but if it's false, then it won't act on the code inside of the statement. So it's called a conditional operator, and they're used to basically just test conditions. And again, if the condition is true, it will run something, and if the condition is false, it won't run it at all. So you can see why this would be important if you play video games, or if you play, like I said, any video game, or if you're a website designer. You can see why this would be something that you would need to use. So what we're going to do is type if the parameters, which are going to be empty for a second, in the body. And of course we want this in the main function. And then inside the parameters, you're going to want to put it at the test. So what the test is again just testing something to see if it's true or false. So we're going to say if 8 is greater than 5, print out you win. End that line. So if this condition is true, which it is, then it'll print this out on the screen. We're going to go ahead and run that. And as you can see, we see you win. If we again have this false, so if I have 5 is greater than 8, and the test is false, then we will get nothing on the screen. So you can see again why the if statement would be useful. I'm going to go ahead and close that. You can put any condition in here, testing variables, testing anything against another thing. So you have to have two, obviously, values, whether they're variables or just stated explicitly as right here, 5 and 8. Whatever it is, as long as it's a test, that, you know, a mathematical test, and we'll go over the operations for math later. If you want to skip to that video, you can. But as long as it's a test inside of here, it will run the code in here if the test is true, and it won't run the code in here if the test is false. That's the basics of the if statement. And if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section. That's basically what it is. We'll go ahead and build a program using this in the challenge video, which should be the 11th video in this series. 11th or 12th video in this series. Go check that out if it is up. If not, subscribe. Even if it is, subscribe, like, and I will have more videos for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is going to be about the if-else statement.